Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we are drawing a cute little bunny. Did you know bunny ears can be longer than their heads? They help bunnies hear danger from far away. Bunnies' teeth never stop growing. That's why they chew all the time. It's like their version of brushing teeth. Bunnies can jump super high, up to 3 feet. That's as high as a toddler. They thump their feet when they're scared or mad. It's their way of saying, watch out. Bunnies wiggle their noses up to 120 times a minute. Twitchy noses, happy, curious bunnies. They sleep with their eyes open. Sneaky nappers. A baby bunny is called a kit and a group is called a fluffle. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.